All right, everybody. So you can see that today we are going to start our session, and that is Mathematics O Levels 4024 and IGCSE 0580 May June 2025. And this is the booklet which I'm going to use for the rest of the session. And you will see that very clearly that we are going to finish the course. We started today, and it will be ended inshallah by the end of April. And you have to understand that what this paper is all about. I do not offer shortcuts. मैं shortcut बिल्कुल offer नहीं करता. I do make sure कि that I cover each and every topic, कि मैं हर एक topic को complete करूं और कोई भी topic जो है वो miss ना हो जाए. ठीक है? I don't offer crash courses. मैं crash courses में बिल्कुल believe नहीं करता. I don't offer के 1 month or 2 month. No, it's a 4 to 5 month story that you have to complete your syllabus. ठीक है? If you are opting for any crash course which is like for example 2 months or 1 month course, so it is not possible because most of the students whenever they study with me they see that the syllabus is a very lengthy syllabus, and if you want to get an A star in math, so you have to be covering each and every component. Now, but I'm going to explain this to all of you because this is our first lesson, so you should know that what is the paper criteria for O levels and IGCSE. So please pay attention, O level students first. So first of all, if this is written as 4024, so we will never call math, we will call 4024 or IGCSE. This is the syllabus code for O levels mathematics students. So IGCSE students, you can watch it for a while. So it's 4024 maths. But this math paper will have two exams technically, which is P1 and which is the another paper is paper 2. Another paper is paper 2. Right, everyone? So it's paper 1 and paper 2. But you guys can rename yourself like the way I can see Ahmad O levels. So Alina, you should also write Alina IGCSE. Anas, you should write Anas O levels like this. So just see that O levels will have O level students will have paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1 is a 100-mark paper, 100-mark paper, and paper 2 is also 100-mark paper. It's a non-calculator. It's a non-calculator, and it is with calculator. That's you should know. आपको idea होगा भी अपने school के अंदर क्योंकि you are going to give paper in May June, तो आप paper देने वाले हैं, तो you should have that kind of idea. Remember one thing, this is 50% of your total grade, of your total grade, total grade. And this is also 50% of your total grade. Now remember one thing, you have to understand this as a student that this is very much important for you to understand that the complexity of this kind of thing. Okay, if you cannot change your name now, you should try. I restricted all of you. मैंने आपको restrict किया हुआ था इसलिए, सो मैंने कर दिया है जी. अब आप लोग कर सकते हैं. अब जी यू कैन चेंज योर नेम, अपना नाम चेंज करें, अपने नाम के सामने ओ लेवल्स या IGCSE दोनों लिखें. ठीक है? नाउ जस्ट सी दैट दिस इज अवर फर्स्ट लेसन. तो हमारा फर्स्ट लेसन है तो हम थोड़ा सा स्लो स्टार्ट लेंगे क्योंकि बाज़ बच्चों को क्लास ज्वाइन करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. This is your 50% of your total grade P1, and P2 is also 50% of your grade. P1 without calculator and P2 with calculator. So far, but just itna samajh le. Okay, now IGCSE students. IGCSE students, you have 0580, 0580, 058, 0580, 80. This is IGCSE maths. Okay, IGCSE students, you will have also two papers, and that paper is not paper 1, 2, it is paper 2 and paper 4. We also have a core math, लेकिन आप में से अगर कोई core math की तैयारी कर रहा हो तो मुझे बता देना, फिर मैं उसको अकेले में explain करूंगा कि P1 और P3 क्या चीज़ है. ठीक है? P2 is again 100 mark, like O levels paper 1, and it is again 100 mark paper 4. So it's a non-calculator, non-calculator, it is with calculator. ये with calculator है. ठीक है जी? अच्छा. Now you need to understand that this is again same like 50% of total grade, and this is again 50%, and together this will make your A star. Together this will make your 100%, same like O levels and IGCSE as well. O levels and IGCSE के तरीके से भी आपको ये clear हो गया होगा that these two are simply same. Acha, one of the students said it to me that I'm giving core maths, better. So you are giving core maths. So core maths is P1, P1 non-calculator. आपका paper 1 होगा non-calculator. आपको मैं अलग बुक भेजूंगा, ठीक है, आपने वो उससे प्रिपरेशन शुरू करनी है। एंड P2 पेपर 3 दिस इज विद कैलकुलेटर, ठीक है मूसा गनी, विद कैलकुलेटर। एंड दिस इज फॉर कोर मैथ्स स्टूडेंट्स। Understood everybody? And paper 2 and paper 4 is for the extended math students. Understood everybody or not? Any questions so far? So you can turn on your mic, अपना mic on कर सकते हैं, मुझे बताइएगा।
सर ये स्कूल में क्यों नहीं पढ़ाते ये कोर मैथ्स?
बेटा स्कूल में कोर मैथ्स इसलिए क्योंकि क्लास में एक दो बच्चे ही होते हैं जो कि कोर मैथ्स का पेपर देते हैं, और ये पढ़ाया नहीं जाता। ये कोर मैथ्स और एक्सटेंडेड मैथ्स में कोई फर्क नहीं है, एक्सटेंडेड मैथ्स के टॉपिक्स नहीं होते कोर मैथ्स में।
सिलेबस एक ही है ना?
सिलेबस इज सेम, लेकिन डिफिकल्टी नहीं है। ओके जी। Now guys, we are gonna see the syllabus my style. So please pay attention. Okay, I'm gonna write math syllabus and we are gonna cover it in this sequence. हम इस sequence में cover करेंगे mathematics syllabus at a glance. So remember one thing. The first topic is numbers. So it is same for मैं इसके आगे कॉलम बना लूंगा numbers. Second one is algebra. Third one is coordinate geometry. Fourth one is geometry. Fifth one is mensuration. Sixth one is trigonometry. Seventh one is transformation vectors. And vectors. Topic number 8 is statistics. And topic number 9 is probability. I will attach the syllabus screenshots as well. मैं बाद में करूँगा, इसको compile करके ठीक करूँगा, ठीक है? Okay. Now guys, remember one thing. Numbers is technically this is for O levels and IGCSE. So just give me a second. I'm just making a line here. So please pay attention. So numbers is technically same in both of them. Both syllabuses it's same 4024 and this is 0580. Numbers is same in both the syllabuses. Okay. In algebra, everything is same except all, and this is all plus derivatives. Plus what? Derivatives. That's included in our IGCSE curriculum. Okay. Then after algebra, it's a coordinate geometry, and coordinate geometry is same. मैं आपको शॉर्ट में बता रहा हूँ, ये मैं सिलेबस फिर बीच में लगाऊंगा, ठीक है? आई विल मेक द सिलेबस, मैं सिलेबस बीच में लगा दूंगा जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ताकि आपकी बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो है वो डेवलप हो जाए। ओके एवरीवन, यस और नो?
जी
Okay,
सर।
coordinate geometry is same. अच्छा, geometry is almost same, ये भी सेम रहेगा आपका, एंगल्स दोनों में सेम आते हैं। अच्छा, mensuration is सेम, mensuration भी सेम है, थोड़ा ही फर्क है। अच्छा, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में ओ लेवल्स की सारी है और इसमें ऑल प्लस ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक ग्राफ्स प्लस टेबल्स of sine cos tangent, sine cos and tangent, that's the difference, ठीक है जी? अच्छा, वेक्टर्स इज सेम, तो मैं वेक्टर्स को थोड़ा सा स्लाइड डाउन करता हूँ क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे वो लिख दिया है, तो यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा इसको नीचे ले जाता हूँ। ओके, तो ये इसका वाई भी आगे नीचे, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। ओके, वेक्टर्स इज सेम इन बोथ, सेम। ओके, डायग्राम, लीव डायग्राम, that's different, only that's included in IGCSEs only, not in O levels, and probability is technically same. अच्छा जी, there are few topics Like for example, I can share them with the green. मैं green के साथ I can share it. So guys, please pay attention very carefully. I am sharing this with green now. So numbers is technically purely same. Geometry is same. Mensuration is same. Transformation and vectors ditto copy. Stats same. Probability same. Trigonometry is same. A little difference, but a coordinate geometry is also same. And 90% of algebra is also same. Only derivatives is in the course. The major difference in the paper will be in trigonometry and algebra, which is derivatives, nothing more than that. And you will see the same paper in both the. So you guys can take examples from O levels, and you guys can also take examples from IGCSE as well. This is very much important for all of you to understand this thing. Got it, everybody, or not? So
Yes.
proceeding with one more thing, that how you should be planning, that how to study for math examinations. So let's I'm gonna give it to you a proper schedule for that. So please pay attention. So how to study for math examination? So study schedule. This is the first lesson we can work on that. Study schedule. Okay, what should be your criteria that how you should be finishing your syllabus? Like for example, it's topic number one, numbers. And remember one thing, your goal should be CIs. Your goal is not the school examination or any pre-mock examination or mock examination. So you should be preparing yourself for your CIs examination. And CIs is technically 29 April is math exam. So remember one thing, so you have technically 5 months for that. So we have 5 months. So we need to cover numbers. And numbers is technically is a 19 chapters topic. 19 chapters topic. Now remember one thing, but you will take it lightly, so you will lose the mark. Remember one thing, number is the biggest topic of your O levels. If you spend 1 month on numbers, it's not a problem. Remember one thing, okay? So I'm giving at least 1 month prep, 1 month detailed prep to numbers because it's the biggest topic of O levels. Okay, get it? Now the second topic is algebra. Algebra. Now remember one thing, algebra will have 18 chapters inside. 18 chapters inside, and it is 18 chapters topic. And let's say if we give 1 more month to algebra, this is also fine, because if you are done with numbers and algebra, technically you are done with 60% of the syllabus. Keep that thing in your brain, because that will have a lot of questions in your paper. So right, so that way that is technically 18 chapters. So let's say we give that 3 weeks, because these are 18 chapters are, there are some topics which are very small, so it can be covered very easily, so don't you worry about that. Okay, now remember one thing, the topic number 3 is coordinate geometry. And coordinate geometry is a small topic. Coordinate geometry is a small topic, and it can be covered in 8 days. 8 days. Okay, you have to give 8 days, only 3 days of lesson and 5 days of practice, because I teach trigonometry in three pieces: coordinate geometry part one, part two, part three, done, dusted. 5 days past paper practice, coordinate geometry is done. Okay, then topic number four is your topic number four. Let me just give me a minute. Topic number four is beta geometry, which is the practice of angles. Geometry. Geometry is not a lengthy topic, but it requires at least 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks, because it has circles, angles, angle properties, construction, similarity, bearing, like that topics. You got it? Okay. Then we have topic number five. It's a mensuration. And mensuration is the branch of maths deals with the study of length, area, and volume. So it's a mensuration study of shapes. Remember one thing, mensuration will take technically 10 days at least three, mensuration part one, mensuration part two, mensuration part three, three lectures, and then 7 days of practice. Okay. Okay. So then we have sixth topic, which is trigonometry. So trigonometry is technically the study of triangles. So if you guys are not noting it down, no problem. I'm going to share this PDF with you after the lesson. Don't you worry about that. So it's trigonometry. So you can see one thing, trigonometry is a topic which you are studying right from your school time, but still it is very easy. Okay. So trigonometry is what? Study of triangles. So triangle की study है तो trigonometry किसे कहते हैं? So you guys have to give at least 10 days to trigonometry as well. Okay. So topic number 7 is your transformation and vectors. So transformation and vectors. It is this is technically a club topic, transformation and vectors. So transformation and vectors, 4 days plus 4 days, so it means that approximately 10 days. I'm not random because I'm adding 2 days past paper practice as well. So 8 days. Topic number 8 is statistics. Statistics can be covered in 1 week. 1 week. And topic number 9 is probability. Probability. 1 week. Mera beta, I wrote this all for you just to give you an idea that how you should start studying at home. Remember one thing. If let me just simply sum this up for you, so you guys can see one thing very clearly. It's a 1 month and this is 3 week. So let me add 3 weeks plus 2 weeks. It's 2 months and 1 week. Then let me add one more one. 2 months and 2 weeks. Agree? Then 10 plus 3 months and three technically 1 week. So remember one thing, with that kind of extensive preparation, you will still have 3 weeks left for your examination practice, and that would be April 1st. You will see that by April 1st, you will be free from your all syllabus. And from 1st April till 29 April, if you practice 5 yearlies of non-calculator and 5 yearlies of with calculator, you are good to go for exam. You guys can score A stars in maths. Any problem so far, G? Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much, everyone. So let me just cross it out. Okay. I request Aisha Manar to take screenshot of the attendance. ठीक है? Aisha Manar, can you please take a screenshot of
Okay, sir. Okay,
the
okay.
attendance? ठीक है? I allowed to chat, and the chat is always open to all. So be careful and be very much vigilant with the words now. ठीक है? All right, everybody. So let me start the course now, and I'm going to proceed. And this is our topic number 1, which is numbers. So let's begin. So I hope all of you are clear with this kind of a study schedule. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Okay. Let's start topic number 1. I'm not attaching the syllabus now here because I want to go with the flow now. So let's proceed. मैं टॉपिक नंबर 1 लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे. टॉपिक 1. आपने मुझे याद करवाना है कि एवरी डे वी हैव टू राइट दिस numbers. So this is lecture 1. Okay. Topic number 1, numbers. So which I remember one thing, in mathematics we know that originally we have 10 digits. Yes or no? Yes. 8,
Yes, sir.
9 and 10. ओके. ओके, बस अभी इसके बाद आप में से कोई भी ना बोले ताकि रिकॉर्डिंग में डिस्टरबेंस ना क्रिएट हो. जहाँ पे किसी का क्वेश्चन हो तब माइक ऑन करें. In mathematics we have 0 to 9. 0 to 9 we have technically 10 digits, and these 10 digits are now, do we, sir Maria, do we copy this? If you want to do it, yes you can do it, but I do not encourage copying numbers. ठीक है? Because you know this already, you just need a quick recap. After the class you can copy that. Okay. In mathematics we have technically from 0 to 9 digits, and 0 to 9 digits, they are distributed into three major families. And the first major family in front of you is integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Integers, integers, whole numbers and naturals. मेरे बेटा integers are all positives, all positives, all negatives, including 0, including 0. Whole numbers are all positives, including 0, including 0. But naturals are all positives, all positives, excluding 0, excluding 0. In mathematics, integers are represented by the letter Z. Integers, they are represented by the letter Z, and the letter Z means integer set is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, and till Karamat. Whole numbers, they are represented by the letter W, and it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers are represented by letter N, and it is written here all positives only, including excluding 0. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to so on. Now remember one thing, I'm not gonna teach each and everything. We are gonna be exam focused. Remember one thing, these three families can be tested in your exam. So you have to understand one thing. You can see that 0 is in integer and in whole number. So it means that 0 can be integer and 0 can be a whole number. But you can see one thing, that negative numbers, they are in integers only. So it means that all negative numbers are integers only. Understood everyone or not? And the second thing is that natural numbers, they are positives only. So it means that 0 can be integer, but 0 can be a whole number at the same time, but 0 cannot be a natural number because it has the definition that it says that it's all positives only. I hope that's clear to all of you. Yes? Now, what's the hack? How to memorize that? To memorize that, you have to write this word W, I, and N. It's a win. And we know that whole number integers and win. Agree or not? So I tell my students, so for in below W, just write 0 plus. Agree? And below I, it's the midpoint. So it would be 0 minus plus. Agree? Left, right, minus plus. In natures, only plus. Agree? Natures, only plus. So these three letters technique can give you the correct differentiation between what is integer, whole numbers, and natural numbers. Agree or not? Yes or no, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, today onwards you should plot the schedule. ठीक है मेरा बच्चा? Okay. Sorry with apologies. I'm a little sick today, but no problem. We can proceed. Okay. Now, further onwards, I'm going to elaborate this natural family because you have to distribute natural numbers into subfamilies now. And what families are included in exam paper, I'm going to teach only those. Okay. So no extra family other than that. Okay. So then natural numbers, they are distributed into, included in Cambridge exam is even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers. Previously it was composite, but now it's not. So it is composites. Nothing more than that. Okay. Evens are what? Anyone having any idea? Evens are multiples of 2. Agree? Yes. So that even numbers are technically what? Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2, or can be divisible by 2. Can be divisible completely by 2. Okay, guys, what are odd numbers? The reverse of even, not divisible by 2, not divisible by 2. Guys, what are prime numbers? Divisible by itself or 1. Yes, divisible by itself or 1. So shortcut, I'm going to write this in red color. Only two factors. 1 comma itself. For example, 13, 2, 3, 4, No, not 4. 4 is a composite. Are divisible by more than two factors. So divisible by more than two factors. So the case is very simple. If a number is not prime, that is definitely a composite. Do you agree with me or not? Yes? Yeah?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So if a number is not prime, so it's composite. It's composite. But there are few facts in this numbers family which are very much important to memorize and to understand this thing. Let me tell you all of them in a very quick way. So let me write them facts here. Guys, the fact number one is that 2 is the only even number which is a prime number. Do you agree? 2 is the only even number which is prime number, which is prime number, except 2. No even number can be a prime number, because if you think that 24 is a prime number, but see, 24 can be divisible by table 24, it can be divisible by table 2, and it can be divisible by table 1. And I told you that prime numbers, they have only two factors, 1 and itself. So 2 is the only even number which is a prime number. Other than 2, you cannot have any even number which is a prime number. So this fact is going to help us a lot. Don't you worry about that. And I'm going to recall that as well. Okay. 1 is neither prime, neither prime, nor composite, nor composite. Why? Because 1 comes in table 1 only. It has only one factor, that itself. It doesn't have two factors. It does, so it cannot come in a prime number. It doesn't have more than two factors. Because why? Because 1 is the member of every table. No, every table is the member of table 1. That's the two different things. Okay, so 1 is neither prime nor composite, क्योंकि 1 का सिर्फ एक ही फैक्टर है. 1 सिर्फ अपने टेबल में आता है, उसके अलावा किसी टेबल में नहीं आता. Okay, third factor is even number guessing. So even numbers always ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Any problem, G? Yes? Even numbers, they always end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Yep. And that is also the hint of dividing it by 2 as an even number. That's the hint for the multiple of 2. How to check a number if it is a multiple of 3 or not? Check with addition. Fact number 4. To see a number can be divided by 3. So just add the digits and see if it's multiple of 3 or not. Multiple of 3 or not. Let's say I'm going to write here an example here. So please pay attention. I'm going to write here a number 5, 7, and that's 3. Okay, let me not write 3, because 3 is the hint that, okay, might be there is a chance that it is the part of table 3 or not. So I know that 57, it can come in table 3, but I want to be sure that whether it comes in table 3 for sure or not. 57 is a part of table 3 because 5 plus 7 is 12. It comes in table 3 because 5 plus 7 is equals to 12, and 12 is the member of table 3. 5 plus 7 is equals to 12, and 12 is the member of table 3. So yes, it comes in table 3. Sir, please can you explain fact 4? But a fact 4 is that if you want to see a number, that whether the number is the member of table 3 or not. For example, 121, and you want to divide 121 by 3, you can see that 1 2 1 is equals to 4. Cannot divide this by 3, you will get the answer in points. But what if you have the question like 126? Now check, 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9. Yes, 126 is the member of table 3. If you divide 126 by 3, you will get what? You will get 62. 126, so 42. Yeah, that's 42. Yes, that's 42. 126 divided by 3 is 42. 42 is again the member of table 3, so 42 is technically 14 is the answer for this particular solution. Yes, and 14 is not the member of table 3. Please can you explain fact 4? But 12 is an even number. Yes, it is an even number, but I'm just telling you that how you can easily divide a number, and you want to see that whether this number comes in table 3 or not. So what is the procedure? So that is the procedure, right, everyone, or not? Get it? Get in?
Yes.
Any problem so far? Okay. So we also have fact for table 5. So if a number is ending with 0 or 5, it comes in table 5. Yep. Fact 5. To see table 5 members, so they must have 5 or 0 in the end. Yes or no? Okay. So guys, what kind of knowledge, what kind of memorization I do need from you? So remember one thing, what kind of tables are important in mathematics exam. Before examination, you should know that you have to memorize tables. So tables memorization is very much important. So I'm just writing table 2 is easy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I will shade the hard ones, okay? 11 and 12. Okay, I prefer memorizing table 13 as well. So if you cannot but still just memorize till table 12, table 15 and table 25. That's important. Okay, which one of them is easy and which one of them is hard? So I'm just marking the hard ones. Okay, I'm just leaving the easy ones, guys. So please pay attention. So I'm just marking the hard ones now with the red color. So hard ones sometimes for student is table 7, table 9, table 11, and table 12. This is hard for some students, but try to memorize them and try to recall them again and again. You have a multiple techniques of memorizing the tables. I will suggest you that if you don't know table 2, no problem, mera bacha. This is not important that you don't know table 2 today. But there will be a problem that if you don't know table 2 after a month. So start memorizing one table per day. Table 2 से start करें. If you know table 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I also encourage my students not to say like students that 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Oh, to hell with that. आप just directly करो. 2 ones are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 like this. Is this clear everybody? अब आप लेट सपोज 11 कर रहे हैं तो अब मेंटल मैथ्स को कैसे करते हैं देखो. 11 ones are 11. आपने 4 पहले बोला. Now 11 plus 11, 22. 22 plus 11 is 33. 33 plus 11 is 44. 44 plus 11 is 55. 55 plus 11 is 66. 66 plus 11 is 77. 77 plus 11 is 88. 88 plus 11 is 99. 99 plus 11 is 110. इज दिस क्लियर? फिर आपने इसी तरीके से आपको टेबल नंबर 12 की तरफ जाना है. जो कुछ बच्चों को बेटा मुश्किल लगता है ज़रा, हर एक बच्चे को नहीं, मैं तरीका बता रहा था, ठीक है. अब टेबल 7 जो बच्चों को मुश्किल लगता है, बहुत सारे बच्चे टेबल 7 में बहुत गलती करते हैं. उसका तरीका ये, टेबल 7 को मेमोराइज करें. और व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे? इट्स द बेस्ट वे. 7 ones are 7, double of 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. 35 plus 7 is 42. 42 plus 7 is 49. 49 plus 7 is 56. 56 plus 7 is 63. 63 plus 7 is 70. और 9 का टेबल लिखना आसान है, लेकिन 9 का टेबल को भी मेमोराइजेशन डबलिंग से सीखें. डबलिंग से. डबलिंग इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट इन मैथ्स. मैथ्स में अगर आपको डबल करना आता है ना, तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली चीज़ों को डबल करना सीख जाओगे. कीप दैट थिंग इन माइंड. ठीक है. अच्छा, टेबल्स आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हैं बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग टू द टॉपिकल एंड. अच्छा, नाउ आई एम गोना गिव यू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल्स. आज मैं आपको रेसिप्रोकल का कॉन्सेप्ट देने वाला हूँ. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन. So the next concept which we are going to discuss in this particular chapter is the concept of reciprocals. So beta, reciprocal is a one marker question in paper. Reciprocal is something which will be multiplied with a number to give you 1. So let me write this. Reciprocal is something, I'm going to write it, something times with n gives 1. अब ये देखिए, ये वो डेफिनेशन है जो कि मैंने अपने प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस से थोड़ी सी इजी बनाई है. सो अब जरा प्लीज अटेंशन होकर जरा सुनिएगा. In examination you can understand that you will get a question that what is the reciprocal of 5. तो मैं रटा नहीं मरवाता, so please pay attention. Reciprocal is it's something which you times with 5 to give you 1. So r is equals to 1 over 5. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 would be 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 5 by 6 would be 6 by 5. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 would be 7 by 2. Reciprocal of 0.2 would be 5, because 0.2 times 5 is 1. So you can get a piece of cake question and you can get a difficult question as well. So be prepared for a piece of cake or a difficult. Like for example, if you get a question like this in exam, Shireen, this is reciprocal of 0.2. Reciprocal of 0.2. Okay, sir told you reciprocal of a number is technically r. Just write that number, multiply with r, and then put that thingy equals 1. Let's make r the subject. Nothing more than that. I know that 0.2 is 2 by 10. That's 1. 2 by 10 will go to the right side of the equation as 10 over 2. Yep. So r is equals to 1 times 10 by 2. And 1 times 10 is 10. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So reciprocal of 0.2 is 5. So can you tell me what is the reciprocal of 0.3? Haji, anyone? Try this question out and tell me the answer. Reciprocal of 0.3. And once you're done, you can turn on your mic and tell me the answer. Yes. What is the reciprocal of 0.3? Okay, Ahmed said the answer. This is not a number, buddy. 3.33 is not a number, it's a decimal. This is important. That's what I'm going to teach you. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, Ahmed Bacha, this is not 3.33 is not a number. Yes, 10 over 3 is your answer. Yes, very good, Hania. Very good. 10 over 3 is the right answer. How you got 10 over 3? I know that 0.3 times reciprocal is equals to 1. 0.3 is 3 by 10 is multiply with r. Multiply with r is equals to 1. But a 3 by 10 is in here, it is in multiplication. It will go to the right side as a flip position. So it would be r is equals to 1 times 10 over 3. So 1 times 10 is 10. So r is equals to 10 over 3. Do not write this as 3.333 because you cannot stop this 3 because that's a recurring decimal. How to do that? Remove the decimal and put 10 as a denominator and right side पे flip हो जाएगा. Yes, बिल्कुल, very good. Nice explanation, Aisha. So guys, I hope it's easy. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Good job. So moving forward, we are going to discuss now is the prime factors and multiples. So prime factors or prime factors and multiples. So guys, do you know that what are factors? Any idea, anything in English sentence is accepted in the class? Factors? Anything with an English sentence, okay? Not Urdu, Pashto, no, only English. Anything with an English sentence, factors. Anything with an English sentence, what are factors? Okay, so the factors, let me write this for you. Factors are numbers which can divide a number completely. Factors are numbers which can divide a number completely. For example, factors of 24. This question came in 2024. It means that 24 comes in how many tables? It comes in table 1, and you will start writing factors of 24, 2, 4 like this. No, 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 no. Start from table 1. Always start from table 1. Always start from table 1. So 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8. Yes, because 2 plus 4 is 6. So it comes in table 3. 4 times 6. Yes. And then we have 5 times something. No. 6 times 4. Can you see that? That 4 times 6. Tables are repeating here. Tables are repeating here. So stop checking now. So the factors of 24 are Zainab, factors of 24. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. Do write these 4 from top to bottom and from bottom to top. Do not repeat any number, I suggest. It's 6, 8, 12, and 24. So these are all the factors of 24. And what gives us the prime factors? That's the prime factorization. Prime factorization will give you the prime factors only, not all the factors. For example, if I write the question, prime factorization of 24, what it will give you? You will start dividing the number, but you are allowed only to divide that number only by prime factors. In prime factorization, you have to divide the number only by prime number, nothing more than that. आपने प्राइम नंबर के अलावा कोई नंबर भी नहीं लेना, ठीक है? Okay, so remember one thing. So 24 can be halved because 2 is the even prime number. So I can use table 2, 12, then table 2 again, it's 6, table 2 again, it's 3, and 3 ones are 3. मेरा बेटा 24 can be written as 2 square 2 cube times 3. Can I write 24 as 2 cube times 3? Yes or no?
Yes.
And mera bacha, listen to me very carefully now. Can you see that I got only 2 and 3? So it means that 2 and 3 are the only factors of 24 which are prime factors, and we can see the list as well. In this list, only 2 and 3 are prime numbers. 1 is neither, 4 is composite, 6 is composite, 8 is composite, 12 is composite, 24 is composite. See, it's the shortcut of getting the number done. Now, remember one thing. 2 cube times 3 is technically the index form. Sometimes the examiner asks you to give the answer in index form. So better once you are done with the prime factorization of a specific number, do not expand this again. ये ना हो कि आप यहाँ पे लिख दो 2 cube is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24 again. You are not required to that. Just find the prime factors of that particular thing. Done बेटा? Yes or no? समझ आया सबको?
Yes.
समझ आया? So I think so that's enough for today. So let me write this here. To be continued. What do you suggest? Done? Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. What we studied today. हमने आज क्या पढ़ा है मैं शो करता हूँ. Please give me a second. आप लोग देखिएगा मैं आपके सामने मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको आइडिया जो मैं पहले से कर सकता था. बेटा अटेंडेंस आप एक दफ़ा दोबारा ले लें, मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे आपने डीएम करनी है. बेटा एक जूम यूज़र किसकी आईडी है बेटा? टर्न ऑन योर माइक ताकि आपको अटेंडेंस रिकॉर्ड हो जाए. जूम यूज़र. जूम यूज़र. ठीक है. जूम यूज़र किसकी आईडी है बेटा? बस बेटा आप ये ले लें, आप में से जिसकी भी आईडी आप मुझे बता दीजिएगा, ठीक है? ओके. अच्छा बेटा, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि मैंने आपको ये जो पढ़ाया है, ये मैंने क्या पढ़ाया और कैसे पढ़ाया है, ज़रा एक मिनट ज़रा दीजिएगा। यू कैन सी माई स्क्रीन नाउ। इन सफारी आई एम गोना राइट हियर 4024 सिलेबस और IGCSE एक ही बात है। मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखा रहा हूँ, हालांकि मेरे पास आईपैड में पड़ा हुआ है, लेकिन मैं आपको ये भी इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को आइडिया हो। आप में से बहुत बच्चों को कोई पता नहीं होता कि सिलेबस क्या है। 4024 सिलेबस, ठीक है जी। ओके, एक मिनट दीजिएगा। अच्छा, कि हमने जो लेवल सिलेबस 4024, ओके जी, ये सिलेबस आ गया है। दिस सिलेबस इज फॉर 2025, 2026, 2027, ठीक है। यू कैन डाउनलोड दैट, ओके। ये जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है, ये सारा सिलेबस में लिखा भी हुआ है। मैं कैसे लिखा हुआ है मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको, ज़रा देखिएगा। आप लोग ये सिलेबस डाउनलोड कर लें, कल इसको पढ़ना सिखाऊंगा। देखिए ये टॉपिक नंबर 1.1 है जो आज हमने स्टार्ट किया। तो मैं ज़रा इसका स्क्रीनशॉट करता हूँ और मैं इस टॉपिक के एंड पे आपको लगा के बताता हूँ कि जो मैंने आज का टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया, तो मैंने जो चैप्टर नंबर 1 है उसमें से कितना पढ़ाया आपको। जस्ट सी, ज़रा ये अंडरस्टैंड करें। ओके, कैन यू सी दैट वेरी क्लियरली एवरीवन और नॉट? ओके गाइस, इन टॉपिक नंबर 1, identify and use of natural numbers, we studied that. Integers, we studied that. We studied prime numbers, yes. We haven't studied square and cube numbers yet. We studied common factors. We studied common multiples. So I told you the way you should be checking 2, 3, and 4 and 5. 7 tables, agree. um, we studied reciprocals, agree. We started the prime factorization today. So can you see that I have done a lot of things in this particular chapter. So it means that I'm going to end this tomorrow. So remember one thing, every class is a sequential class. So please pay attention and try to be regular in my classes. If you skip a class, I am recording the class, but I know that the recorded classes, they are having less benefit than the live classes. Agree? Because it creates a bond. Agree with the teacher. Got it, everybody, or not?
Yes.
All right, thank you so much, everybody. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. I'm sending the PDF. You can note it down everything with yourself. I'm sharing the PDF for O levels and IGCSE syllabuses, and you have to take the printout of your syllabus and mark down whatever I'm teaching. If I'm left with anything, do tell me. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
After
Allah Hafiz. Thank you.